Deathstep is basically dubstep, but a lot heavier. Start at 155 BPM, then try to find some catchy vocals that will fit your song. Eventually, I settled with these samples in the build-up. And I gotta say, this call and response kind of build-up sounds like someone's going to die, which is perfect. So I added some extra layers to fill up some more space. And the layers on the extra layers are these ones. And everything together. And I also heard that strings are important to make it more dramatic. For drums, obviously make sure they hit really hard, and then you can layer them as much as you want, then compress and saturate them like crazy, and you will probably have some decent dubstep drums. And then for the drop sounds of the song, we have some whoop whoop whoop. I personally find making these kind of dubstep drops pretty easy. I just hum some random whoop whoop melody in my head and place it out. Also, every dubstep note for this song is on the exact same note as well, so it's super simple. I also added even more spicy vocals in the drop. And for the mastering, make sure you add some distortion with your limiter and add a tiny hint of moist, because filthy songs needs filthy measures. Lastly, if you want all the dubstep presets in this video, check out my new Soundbank. You can make everything from deathstep to trap to future bass to future bounce or whatever you want. Link in the description. Nice.
I'll be your host as we cover 5 teenagers who summoned a demon.
Hold up, wait a minute.